Hello everyone, Vanakkam. Today in the menu we have a South Indian chicken curry. Let's begin with the method to prepare its masala. In a mixie jar, grind all the ingredients listed together, or if you have a smaller jar, you can even grind one ingredient at a time as shown. Grind 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds into fine powder. Then grind 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. Then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes along with 1 cup grated coconut and grind them into a soft paste. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When hot enough, add 2 chopped onions and saute it until gold or dark brown. The more darker the onion saute, the darker the curry will be. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to speed up the process of cooking. One teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and saute for around 5 minutes until the raw smell of garlic disappears. Then add 1 teaspoon of hing, one tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Saute until the oil separates. Then add in the prepared masala and cook for around 10 minutes or longer on low to medium flame. Add 1 kg of chicken. Add half cup of water and pressure cook for around 4 to 5 whistles. Two tablespoons of garam masala and half to 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 cup to 2 cups of water and cover and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Recipe courtesy is Mrs. Juliet Lawrence. Thank you so much for your unique and aromatic recipe. If you like what you're watching, do subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Thank you so much. Nandri.